Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO. We do leasing and property management here in San Francisco. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you a detached single home right here on Webster. Just down the street is two blocks down the road is Safeway, and then just a couple blocks down the street is Hayes Valley, which is a wonderful area that boutiques, shops, restaurants. We should also mention Japantown, which is really close. But let me switch. You don't want to see me, you want to see the house. So let's switch it up. And this is a beauty. Just newly painted. The owners have put a tremendous amount of work into the property. It does have garage parking. Let's get inside. All right, here we are. So straight ahead is a stairway. As we look to the left here, we have what's called a double parlor. Nice bay window that looks toward the street. Brings in lots of light. Super tall ceilings. Just gorgeous. The paneling flooring. Here we have what was probably the dining room at one point. So, you know, there's lots of configuration options with this. You can definitely make it in a living room, dining room type of setting. Library, or if you need a guest room, you know, there's also options around that too. Here's a half bathroom, so you have a sink and a toilet. Double pane window there. Let's wrap around it. Let's just get a view. This way, so you can just see how spacious it is in here. Big closet. So you can keep your vacuum cleaner in there. It goes all the way under the stairs. And here's the kitchen. Lots of cabinetry. If you like cooking, this is a kitchen for you. Slate flooring, granite countertops, gas range, dishwasher. Nice good size refrigerator. And laundry room right here. You notice that a lot of the windows are stained. Just really beautiful, classic design. You can also hang your pots from this the light fixture right there. All right, let's back up and then turn around. There's that front door. And let's go upstairs. All right, so sleeping quarters are upstairs. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath. And let's take a look at the bathroom. So, full-size sink, toilet, and then shower tub combination. Here's a great place for your linens. You have a vanity. Room number 1. Now I measured this, in case you're wondering the size, it's 81 inches by 124 inches. So plenty big. Let's just give you an idea of the closet space. All right, of course that's full width. So the 81 inches wide. All right, full level here. And again, the ceilings are also tall up here, more stained glass. Another bedroom. Additional storage options up top here. And nice plush carpeting in the bedrooms. It melts under your feet, which is so nice and feels so good. And you can see just professionally cleaned. Again, the owners just painted, put a lot of work into the property with the stained glass. Still a couple more things to do, but they're determined to get everything done before you move in. And here's another bay window. Bay windows are the ones that kind of go into the street, if you will. So if you want to, have a little chair there or a little couch, you can sit and watch everyone go by in the street below. All right, and as we go back into the hallway, we have the closet space right here. Great for storage. So lots of storage options. And, of course, the biggest storage being the garage and all the space that you have down there. Just give you a quick view of all the rooms again. And let's come down the stairs and just give you perspective. Coming this way. Again, we get the kitchen. And let's view the kitchen. And the two parlors. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in this property, give us a call. We're showing during COVID. We'd love to take your calls, answer any questions you may have. We are doing private tours, so there's a link on our website that you can schedule yourself at a time convenient for you. All right, appreciate you watching. All right, bye-bye.